Here's how to roast any squash or pumpkin. Break off the stem and slice it in half. Don't worry about scooping out the seeds. Rub the inside and the outside of the squash with oil, then place it cut side down on a baking sheet. Pour about a 1/4 cup water onto the pan, then roast in a 350-degree oven until soft. When the squash is cool enough to handle, scoop out the seeds and then scoop out the flesh. Blend until smooth, then use the puree for all your fall baking and cooking.